You guys, I'm so excited about today's video. This is kind of a hybrid mukbang slash tasting video. So here's the deal. There's a place in Toronto that makes these wild and fun flavors of donuts. It's my favorite place to get donuts, and I just bought every flavor they had today because I was like, oh, maybe people want to know and see what they look like and what they taste like. And then I was like, oh, I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna try and eat them all. So that's what this video is gonna be. Hope you like this type of thing. So I've got 8 different flavors of donuts, and I say we just dive in. I'm gonna go with the one that I'm most eager for, and that's the one with the little pipette. So this is a maple, bacon, and caramel. And of course, it's got one of these little tubey ditties. Oh, I was supposed to keep that in and then you squeeze it? Well, first off, let's figure out what it is. Oh, that's just maple syrup. Okay, I see what we're playing with here. You guys don't f around. I appreciate that, rolling pin. That's what it's called. Did I say that's what the place is called? That's what it's called. Bottoms up, baby. Oh yeah, let's get a little extra sauce on that. Whoa. So this is like a yeasted fried donut. Very light, lots of big air bubbles. Holy mackerel. So the caramel is super sweet, the maple is super sweet, and the bacon is like fire salty. Not like fire as in like a really good thing. I love the bacon. Meat in desserts. Who knew? I always put my meat in my desserts, if you know what I mean. I gotta stop. Knowing me and knowing my stomach size, I'm gonna move on. Might come back. I wanna make sure I get to all the flavors. So this next one, another one I'm equally excited for, is a jacked up PB&J, it's called. And it is heavy. This thing is heavy. It's got what looks like a peanut butter icing and crushed peanuts or chopped peanuts, and then just some nice jam. I wonder if it's grape? Yeah, or strawberry, probably strawberry. There is a filling. There's a filling. Gosh, they've got their donut recipe just like spot on. Because these are so fluffy. They're not oil logged. Sometimes when I make homemade donuts, I just like, they taste so oily. I don't know how to get rid of that. If you guys know, let me know. It looks like a murder scene, doesn't it? Who do you think first came up with PB&J as a combo? Because they deserve a Nobel Prize. And now I know that there weren't math or sciences involved, but it's a pretty big advancement in technology. It's right up there. In terms of the first one, that second one was a little bit less sweet, and I think I dug it. Really full of jam. Love it. Thing is most people don't buy 8 donuts at once, they only buy 1. So I have to think about it differently, because like I like all of them. I know I'm gonna like all of them, but if I could only buy 1, which would I get? I don't think I found it yet. This is called the Custard Bomb. Oh, I love when things are coated in sugar. Why isn't everything coated in sugar? We have the means. We're all adults here. I just full on got custard up my nose. I like this. I'm a sucker for custard desserts. This tastes very like Japanese bun to me, or Chinese bun. Or you get those like Japanese pancakes and sometimes they have custard sauce on them. This is right up there. This one's nice because it's not too sweet. You know, it's got a really good ratio of innards to outards. What a day of gluttony. Could not be happier. Let me tell you, I'm in my element. This next donut I'm gonna try, they're calling this Chef Special. So they always have rotating flavors, and then they have a Chef Special, which is just what the guy felt like making on that day, or girl, them. But this is a mixed berry, and it is, I'd say it's the heaviest thus far of all of them. Looks like it's got white chocolate and whipped cream on it. Okay. Oh, it's got a hole in it. Oh. So this one is not filled. I'll tell you what, the whipped cream makes it very difficult to eat. And I'm not a huge fan of whipped cream in general. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna hold off on that one. It's good. It's totally good. But compared to the first 3, Okay, this next one is hot chocolate flavored. You can just tell by the roasted marshmallow, that like gooey chocolate exterior. It's got a hole in it, so it's not filled, but it does have a toasted marshmallow on the top. Okay, this is just like a chocolate glazed donut. Really rich chocolate flavor, dark chocolate. It's got some little chocolate chips on the top. I don't know if I would say hot chocolate necessarily as much as just chocolate glazed. I guess that's the marshmallows for you. There's something to be said for dark chocolate glaze on donuts. That bitterness is crucial. Absolutely crucial. Imperative, if you will. Tough to be delicate in this, like to look elegant. I would not recommend this activity as a first date. I don't know who tastes donuts on a first date, but if we were considering, don't. What's the deal with marshmallows? Like, they don't actually have any flavor. They're kind of just like gelatin sugar. I don't know if I like them. I just decided. I mean, what do they have to offer? The next flavor is birthday cake, and it looks just like a celebration. For me. It's got a filling. Is that whipped cream? Oh, it's icing. This is like cake icing on top. Okay, I see you. What's the interior? Just like a custard on the inside. I like that. I always love crunchy. I'm not a huge fan of this style of cake icing though. I just kind of want to scrape it off. Reminds me of grocery sheet cakes. How much stuff do I have on my face? This is red velvet. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. But is red velvet not just chocolate flavor? Dyed red? Am I crazy? It's like chocolate but with cream cheese icing. Tell me if I'm wrong. Because I think that's all it is. This one's got a cream cheese filling. That one is very good. I regret making that my second last donut because that one is delightful. I definitely like that better than the hot chocolate, better than the birthday cake, better than Chef Special. I really like that one. I love cream cheese icing, my goodness. That like little bit of sourness and it cuts through the sweetness. I mean, it doesn't like really cut through the sweetness. It's still super sweet, but this feels like a really good balance, this one. I think these are just crushed up like red velvet cake pieces, crumbles. Woo! Pants are feeling tight. Oof. Oof. This is no joking around. All right. The last one I want to taste before I make up my mind as to which one I liked best is a cinnamon pecan bun, they are calling it. I wonder, is this the same dough? I think they all have the exact same dough. This one might have a bit of cinnamon in it, but that's interesting that they would use like the same base dough recipe and then just do different toppings. Wow, I think that's all I got in me. Whew! Okay. I think it is now time to determine which donut is the best. Number 8 goes to the Chef Special. As I said earlier, not a huge fan of mixed berry or whipped cream. That is this one here. Then number 7 would be the hot chocolate. It was good. The chocolate glaze is incredible. I'm docking it points being called a hot chocolate because it really is just a chocolate glazed donut with sugar gelatin on top in the form of marshmallows. Next one would be the birthday cake. I love the crunchy sprinkles. Do not like the birthday cake icing on top. Number 5. Ooh, 5 is tough, 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 tough. 5 is the cinnamon bun pecan guy. Still, like, the quality of donut is still incredibly high. This is very challenging for me. I hope you understand. Number 4. Number 4 is the red velvet. Yep, love it. Love the cream cheese icing. but it is not superior to the chocolate or the Custard Bomb. Number 3 is the Jacked Up PB&J. Number 2 is the Maple Caramel Bacon. And number 1, in my books, is the Custard Bomb. This is the one that had I have bought it just this one solo, I would have been a happy camper. There you go, my very first mukbang here on Tastemade. Slash tasting video. Like, what was this? I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very enjoyable for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.